Hey, high achievers, welcome back to the channel where we architect thriving relationships even amidst the most demanding careers. I'm Ashley J, LAPC, your relationship therapist. And today we're tackling a crucial challenge for successful couples: the Executive's Guide to Summer Relationship Resilience, Reconnecting After Peak Seasons. And just as a quick disclaimer, yes, I am a relationship therapist, but this is not relationship therapy. But if you would like to get relationship therapy, then feel free to reach out and I can help you get connected with a therapist near you, a great couples therapist near you. I am merely just giving you some relationship advice from the standpoint of a couples therapist. You've just navigated a grueling summer or spring, and beginning of summer is what I meant to say. Perhaps closing major deals, launching new initiatives, or managing complex teams. Now we are deep off into summer, and it's supposed to promise a break, but often it brings its own set of unique pressures on your most valuable partnership. The subtle disconnect from intense work periods, coupled with shifting routines and travel, can leave even the most aligned couples feeling out of sync. This isn't about fixing a broken relationship. This is about optimizing your already successful partnership for enduring resilience and profound connection. It's about ensuring your relationship doesn't just survive the transitions, but actually thrives and becomes an even stronger foundation for your shared life and ambitions. So, how do we strategically reconnect and fortify our bonds after these intense periods? I've distilled it into 3 high impact pillars. You meticulously manage your professional calendar, right? Every meeting, every deadline, every strategic review is blocked. Why isn't your relationship treated with the same reverence? The overscheduled leisure trap is real. We fill every minute of vacation or downtime, leaving no organic space for genuine connection. For high impact couples, this means consciously carving out non-negotiable, unstructured relationship blocks in your summer schedule. These aren't just date nights, they're dedicated windows for being together without an agenda. It could be a quiet morning coffee, an evening walk, or simply 30 minutes of uninterrupted conversation. Treat these blocks like the most important. I'm getting tongue-tied, excuse me. Treat these blocks like your most important meetings. Protect them fiercely. This sends a powerful signal to your partner and to yourselves that your relationship is a priority, not an afterthought. Pillar 2, proactive communication and the executive debrief. In the corporate world, you have debriefs, postmortems, and strategic check-ins. Why do we often drop this level of intentionality in our personal lives, especially during relaxed summer months? Then pillar 3, individual recharge as a partnership investment. You understand the importance of individual performance from team success, or for team success, excuse me. The same applies to your relationship. Neglecting your personal recharge ultimately drains the collective energy of your partnership. Summer can often pressure us into constant togetherness, but for high performers, non-negotiable solo wellness is not selfish. It is a strategic investment. Whether it's an hour for your passion project, a solo workout, or simply quiet reflection, ensure you're both getting the individual space needed to replenish. When you return to the partnership feeling refreshed and whole, you bring your best self to the relationship, enhancing intimacy, patience, and shared joy. It's about optimizing individual capacity for collective benefit. By strategically blocking time, proactively debriefing, and prioritizing individual recharge, you're not just surviving summer transitions, you're actively architecting a relationship that is resilient, deeply connected, and optimized for enduring success. This is an investment that pays dividends across every area of your life, from your personal well-being to your professional achievements, because a truly thriving partnership is the ultimate foundation for a powerful and fulfilling life. If you're ready to elevate your relationship to its peak performance, subscribe to this channel for weekly insights. And if you'd like to explore a confidential strategic consultation to tailor these principles to your unique partnership, visit itsashleyj.com. The link is in the description below. Thank you.